So this one is quite a life-altering transformation. It's made a world of a difference to his confidence. But the funny part is that when he came to us initially, it wasn't for his smile. It was to restore a couple of back teeth. He had few teeth missing, which we had to place implants for. But over the time that he was here, he kept realizing that his front teeth were also deteriorating. So again, a smile is something where the patient has to feel it himself or herself. As a cosmetic dentist, we can see a lot of things, but it is not our place to tell the patient how flawed the smile is or how flawed the teeth are. So a patient he's realized that his teeth were deteriorating, and now is the time that he wanted to correct it. He wanted something which was also more aesthetic, and he wanted to take matters in his hands, and all of the back teeth which were also completely wearing out, he wanted to restore them also, because being in his 60s, it's better done now than wait for it to get worse and do it later when you're much older. So this is how his smile is looking. This is how his teeth are. So yes, there's a lot happening, but this is something that maybe initially did not bother him, but now it is. This is the state of his teeth. Lots and lots of wearing away, lots and lots of patchwork fillings were done from somewhere. All of these are fillings that were just done when the teeth used to break. This is decay which is still happening. This is a big decay. So there was a lot of lot of cavities in his mouth, because of which also the teeth were were crumbling down. The bite, if you see, is a very edge-to-edge bite. So the top teeth and the bottom teeth are meeting at the edges, and which is why also there is so much wearing away. The front teeth are now looking much shorter because of all of this wear and tear. The shade has completely changed. So what we have done for him is, we have removed all of these old crowns of his, which also had a lot of decay underneath. We have corrected all of that, restored his internal tooth structure, removed all the old fillings, rebuilt up all the teeth, done some aesthetic, gum contouring, so all the new veneers new crowns are at the same level. And then we have done a full mouth restoration for him, whereby very, very conservatively we have shaped the teeth. We have done root canals only and only where it was required. We have conservatively shaped the teeth in order to give him zirconia crowns. We've had to correct the bite also, which was an edge-to-edge bite. So this is the corrections that were done once his procedure was completed. So this is the before and the after. The bite is now, it's not as edge-to-edge as it was before. All of his decayed teeth, worn out teeth have been restored. Again, living with such grey, yellow teeth for so many years, these patients want a change. They want something brighter, and they're okay carrying it off. And this is how his final smile is looking. So his top teeth, which were hardly visible in his smile before, are more visible now. He's got a broader smile and a much, much, much more even smile. This is something that I guess he's always wanted, but he didn't realize it soon enough. And as soon as he did, he has asked for this treatment, and this is what we've done for him.